Hi guys, today I'm gonna make the same thing we made really early. So we first made this, now we are changing it to this. It's a lifter, I don't know what's the name, but it can lift the other car, so I'm gonna make it. So let's off page, and it says we need to get one of this, and get one of this. Put this inside. My scary daddy has been running away because my daddy is really scared of everything. My daddy scared me. My daddy is scared and he just went away. Now I'm hopping off page again, and it says so much details my brain is gonna blast. We put this and inside out. This and put it inside the. Whoa! What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, he's using the precious one. The precious. Going in like a precious. Right. Permanent. He's using it just to plug it. They can use something else like black one. It's an extra one. If it brings extra. Well, so I'm gonna go page again. It says to make this, put the strap inside it. You might like see the camera. This is the camera, yeah, you're the camera. This is the camera. The camera I'm using here. This is the back wall. This makes the sound come. So, right. I need to get this, put this here. Blast this up and right, put this in. Get one of this and inside. Like we made this, as it says us to make it. Oh wow, it just moved off. Whenever I get to the edge figure, it just floosh is out. Now it says now to lock you in. No thinking about the person who are watching me, guys. Not you. This you remember this. I just locked this inside that, locking you in. And this is this black to be on here with nothing connecting to it from the bottom. So it still moves like this. It moves like this, and it's gonna be like this, and then it's gonna be like this. I think. Oh, it even says to get one of this. Put this inside of it. And we made this. And topping off page. It says we need to put these two. Well, who doesn't use this? We need them to make our car's wheels turn. And topping off page. Figure 8 is on the page. Says, oh, I have more of this, but I don't remember a black one. Maybe there is a black one. I just don't remember it. Anyway, the red ones are easy, but the black ones are hard because the red ones are colorful. They have a color. Alright, we put these inside. This on here. That on there. Turn right. 9 and the 9 says to get these two. Put this here and it just turns this. And we do a what's really funny? What's really funny? Like something who's silly. Just get one of this. Alright, come on. These things are so much fun to make. You have to buy one of this. Yo, it's great. I mean, I never had this fun in my life. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button and give me a like and leave the comments below if you don't do it, and then a spider or a lobster will crawl on your face when you're in bed. Alright, now, so far so good. We just made something like something. I don't know what did we made. Oh, by the way, guys, you remember? Let me just show you. 1 second. You remember this guy? This guy there. You remember this? It was the forklifting compartment thingy. So now I have a computer. This is like a buy a car and you have to buy this. Alright, that's looking good. We need to get this piece. Put it over here. And we need to get one of the longest ones. Alright, this is it. Put it through it. This thingy. Get 2 of these. Put these like on here. Let me see. We need to make a square loop. I don't know, what did we make this? Now, it's set on a mess, so let's just click on the hover mode and alright. Says that we need to put this through this and it's done. Now it says to do this. Oh, look what you're gonna make. Really? I can't believe you can be like this. I'm talking to the LEGO. I'm just saying the same thing to the LEGO. I can't believe the LEGO is saying me. That, well, look who's here, the boring gold snowman. And I'm not even a snowman. Papa's pen, you a page. Who eating a page pie? I did, you did. Huh, 1. Five, what a surprise. We put this through it. And topping off the page. We need to make a figure 8 pages. You know that the old page smokefish who breathes fire. Sibo who breathes fire. So who breathes fire? I didn't know who breathes fire, but it's somebody who says who breathes fire. The animal. Do you understand that joke? Is that real or is it a joke? I don't get it. Up, go. Make this alright. That's it. We put it on top of this silly old head stuff. Half page. And we need one of this and one of this. Get this, put this to over here. Press this. Half page. Need to get two of these. Attach it to this, like this, it's like a pointy tusk or something. Make this, put this on here. Just about it. Just about it. And we just made our own card. Just a bit more boiling. I'm gonna say boiling. It's not really boiling, but I'm gonna make boiling. Who breathes fire? And getting the smelly part. The part I hate. We make this and we put their bubble wrap. And we need to put this on over here. Here. He who breathes fire. He who breathes fire. My name is He who breathes fire. Just joking, BK. That is. And I just made a piece like Maisie. I just made a piece, Mama. Maybe later. Oh, so these birdies learn. Yeah, I am just making a Lego. Right? No, we'll run a bunny. It says we need to get one of this attached. Like, and this to here and that to there. This to here and that to there. This here, that there. I know what to do. And he uses these for nothing. I put this here, get this to put in here. Oh, so this is the thing those guys were doing. Mm, 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 mm. What does he use this right place for? And right now, whoever cares about what are we doing, y'all? It says that we need to. Can tell you the wrong thing. They're gonna tell you the right. What is this man doing? Well, I really understand Lego, but oh, it's for making it have a side place, and this is going extra. And we're just gonna clog it like we clog it like not like that. That is impossible. And it says we just have the space. It's extra. And I'm gonna have the space not for it. This is just for my playtime stuff. I will just put this on the bottom. Oh, it says we put it on over here. I put in it. Yay! That was really fun. Yahoo! That's the funnest thing I ever did. Yay, yay, yay! Oh, look what they are doing. A funny surprise to make me be a jungling part, with a poo, dude. Hmm? He who breathes fire, he who breathes fire. Am I gonna put this? Oh, a big surprise. Oh, a big surprise. Rice. Oh, a big surprise. I want to press this. Get this. And just this, nothing else. And just turn this. I'm just making a Italian study. Meaning they this. Go inside this. Just plug in here. Get two of these. Need this. Put it there. Done. I am angry. I can jump through anything. I can eat you. I can eat you. I'm too hungry. But standing like a garbage bin. Who sounds like a garbage? Man, I don't know. You. Did you ever see me singing garbage bean, guys? I did leave a comment below, but I didn't see myself being like that. I can't see myself. That was funny joke. It says we need to put it to this place, and when we are hopping page, you just play the drum like. I can't seem to lose it on the African savannah plain, right? Alright, when I just turn this, it just turns down full. Yeah, I know, just play off this. Did you know what I said? Play off this means get your feet on your head and get your head up on your feet. Get it? Dingy, dingy, dingy. Dingy, dingy, dingy. Tumble, 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 tumble. Like this, make it like this, and you need to get one of this. Put this over here. This over here. Off page. Page! And get it. He who breathes fire. He who breathes fire. Unless now these are my favorite ones. I think the white strip. I love things with strips. And we need a piece like this. And we need a piece like this. He's using these for nothing. Just to make it look good. One piece like this, one piece like this. Daddy, can you go? Piece like that. Daddy, can you go? Oh, and I need something.
Yes.
Can you find one of these white ones, guys? White guy?
Oh, which one?
These two.
Two.
Thank you.
No, it's gray. Is it correct?
Correct.
Okay. I'm going now.
Alright, you can go.
Okay.
And I hop off page. Daddy, when I press this, it just zooms. Zoom, ring. Zoom, rim, rim. Daddy, look, it's the time. Hey, look. Yes, so that's... Yeah. And I get this, put this, get this, put this over here, and we just made this best for us to put this over here, and unless we made a piece like this, with a circle can make this. Right about it to page. It's switched up, switched off. Hey, and we made a cartooning. Now we need one of this guy. That was much grabs. That was so much grabbing. My hands are tied from all of that grabbing stuff. Oh. We're gonna put this over here. Pause page. Flip this on over here. The next one. And swash it over there. When it's like this, he lifts it. Then it's like this, he lifts it there. I think we're gonna close these two. Oh, it can't be like this. So we're gonna put this here, like this, and we're gonna put stuff in there. Right now, it's just up so you can see. Then we need to get one of this. Put this here. Pause page. Do this KG thingy bingies. Get this, put this inside it. Get 12 these. 1, 2, and one of this in there. Get one of this. Oh yeah, that's gonna be happy. I'm gonna be happy with this part. I hope it. I hope. Yes! I thought the same thing that they did. Want to know it? I'm not gonna tell you. That was a good joke. I was acting like I was gonna tell you, but I didn't tell you actually. Because it's so busy. You know Chobizi from the Wild Kratts? One of their films has Chobizi. It's gonna be like a tearing. And after this, it's gonna be the almost end. It's this card. We are making the ending. And it did leave so much pieces, by the way. Making 2 cards. The backs. 2, just 2. These are the favorite moments. And we just buy it new. But we didn't buy it new. Remember that. We didn't buy it new. Like, think like it. Think like we bought it new. Actually, we didn't buy it new. Just think, we didn't buy it new. But just think. We bought it new. This is really new. I never made pieces like this. Maybe if I put this on here and put this to there, this to here, that inside there, this to there. Hey, it does use so it does use so much pieces, but it does leave so much pieces. Let's see. Does this fit in? Do you fit in? Alright, not here. Alright, then I get that. Leave it there. Just leave some stuff. That's how you can play with this guy then. And this guy. Half page. Already did that. More. Wait. When it has zero, it just has this right there, and you need to do this. Then we did this. Then we did this. Now it's this. We did it, guys. Daddy, it's done.
Yes. What's that?
Done.
Is it really?
Buddy, pop.
I don't believe. Ooh, you are very fast. Okay.
But wait. Don't close it. I'm going to do some attachments too. I want everybody to see them. Thank you very much. That's one of this. Put this in here. Maybe we should do this and that. Well, I just choose my mind. This in here. I made one of this. This over here. This on here. Before that, we have to put this in. And it's one of this. You could weigh this. Sorry. Put this inside there. And we make this. Then we can put this here if I want. And can make a stand like something to hold it, like the pressure. Just hold it where it is. Maybe if I was able to put this here, we need to just put this, maybe if I do, I have a nice idea. This didn't work, so let's do this instead. Either so easy.
Are you okay?
Almost done. Just want to attach this to here for stopping movements. Touching this. I plug this in. Just go in. Going in. Go in. Going in. Go in. And go in. Go in. But it didn't quite make what I wanted.
Yeah, I have to close.
Right. Goodbye.